Today we're going to go over some tips and tricks for remote learning and your Gmail to make your inbox more user-friendly. The first thing we're going to do is install primary and update tabs to clean up your inbox. To do this, we're going to go to the settings gear in the top right-hand corner of your inbox. We're going to click on Settings. If you go to Inbox, which is the third tab over, and you can see here Inbox type default, categories, primary is already clicked, and we're going to add updates. Scroll down to the bottom and save changes. What this does is all of your emails from your teachers are in the primary tab, while all of your calendar invitations and Meet our next step in creating a user-friendly inbox for remote learning is to create different labels for our different classes. To do this, we're going to go to the left hand of the screen and click More, the down arrow. If you scroll all the way down, you'll see Create New Label. Click. Please enter a new label name. Here is where you would start creating labels for classes. I am going to create generic labels just to demonstrate. So for example, history. I'm also going to create a label for English. Science. Math. And I actually also take Spanish, so I'm going to create a Spanish label as well. When you scroll up, you'll see that these new labels are listed, and I can drag and drop different conversations into the different labels. So Miss Sedania is going to go in English because she's my English teacher. I also have a class of Miss Duffy in English. Mr. Putvane teaches history. Another way that I can add these emails to my labels are if I click the email and I go up to labels on the top, I can also label it Spanish for Miss Bicker and apply. That keeps it in the inbox. If I want to move it, I can go to the little move icon up at the top and click Spanish. Miss Schuster is going to get dragged into science, and Miss Bell is going to get dragged into math. And that's how you create different tabs or labels. A helpful feature that you can use through all Google applications, Mail, Calendar, Keep, so on and so forth, is the search bar like you would see in the Google search engine. So as you can see, I cleared out my inbox last week, and now I want to find an email. I can start typing the person's name up top, and you can see that the emails from that individual pop up. It also works if I start typing it in the subject. So one more tip or trick to keep your inbox organized. Good luck.